isaa cia bilingi wa mauvo. Kwa watinda nesa na kiuyo cha kukende onesa kuvikia vomo ndoni wasa umwe wa wiyo masama Afrika umndoni wasua masama ilu mako manyedia kwisela vilingini wa mauvokila cha kitika mwadhenyani wa umundi muno ile betani itu ya ukamba na ikonyoni inya siandi na umundi twi wakana matuku ni muonza mwe ni wakatano mwaka ni wangili ile na miongo ile na dhandatu ni toerasas kithukua nzomo na kesharo ni ndinda aliola mauvo akwanzia ya meko kwa oyufuto kwate amwe kati wa alatumanengete wito.
Alatukumbanesye ne bamwe na
we are no longer now looking at the expediency of the impeachment, but looking at the rights of that particular individual, the rights to life. The Senate ignored all those.
Mawokili magashagwa kueta iseso yako munguthula yothothe yueni uteti na mia yati wa.
We have progressively enhanced the budget to 702 billion in this financial year.
President Ruto kuweta ni wangelete ilovia siya kisomo kuma bilioni maana 5 nginya bilioni maana 1 na ile.
Ukie webe abesa ko yukie ya nengwa slot sia ukuanea na balai kunengwa penga lingi kuanea abusia sako enge
uku ikiwanzani changale masako kutamba ikaitina wangali imwe kukomea uya kumano na ngusa nisio sia sako.
Call ya county government pamoja na national government madho kumeboma makwatanite nikienda mabikia kwailia mawethio loko masoko watala
na atandithia soko ni watala kwenda kuimia ngwata niyo nzika yoni sia kwailia utandithia wo
bilingi wa mauvo.
Ni umanyidie na tuyambia na yukulio yitu valani wakuletie nukwitikala na President William Ruto kana serikali yake ni kitikidhito cha kuyana kwa ili ya kisomo vandi ya Kenya. Nukwitikala na President William Ruto kana serikali yake ni kitikidhito cha kuyana kwa ile kisomo va Kenya. President kwi umundi kuyana Ivasha county ya Nakuru na waweta kana serikali yake ni ile kisomo miaka eswethe totongo ini alimumbe wangilia na imwe makande kwa lasbe wangili miongo ile na itatu ikakwa na ende mbesa iko angalwa kuma bilioni maana 5 nginya bilioni maana 1 na ile kuya zake somo ni chailite we nukwitikana nake usungio waku aye kana aye na uelesyo waku ni kwa namba ya utumani witu mukuve ile itatu kenda 5 na oingi no utume kwisita mitandao ni yitu ya mekumu kandile watu utumani ambia na leto Mutongo TV tuambie vilingi kwithukiwa kwa ikwani ya kunguthulwa kivilani kwa ula wa imunini wa President Rigathi Gachagua umundi ni kuosa mukondo mweu itina wa mawakili make kutavia koti wa yulu kana iseso ya kumuvetanga Gachagua kivilani yati ya nzia ila sia ilite sia kikatiba indi yothothe iwe ni uteti ainena mbewa asili atatuma makwani kotini uwa yulu wakili wa Gachagua Kibe Mungai ni waweta kana kunguthulwa kivilani kwa Mutongo ona wiva kuya ile kusangiwa ni uteti na kwa ile kuatia miao mwaka mweu ni wako tuambesi ya vilingi na ile vote.
Kwani ila ula wa imunini wa President Rigathi Gachagua wathakisie kotini wa yulu iliana na kuvetangwa kwake kuma ofisini ni alika muthenani wa keli kwisua u.
The National Assembly did not meet the thresholds of Article 10 and Article 118 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010.
Atete imanga Gachagua mathiendea na kunya ukusi wo kana Gachagua vetangiwa ofisini kwanzia cia kisiasa indi tikatiba kandi ya Kenya kati iwe na vala utane wa evuzo ya kuitetea mbunge ni ya Senate jina wake kusembwa sivitale katika tiwa iseso yeu.
The evidence on Mr. Nyengenye's affidavit in regard to the Hansons will bear as evidence that the Speaker did not deploy the modification mechanisms. The failure to modify this mechanism, Your Lordship, meant that the Deputy President was denied the available legal tools under Article 50 of a fair hearing. It was imperative upon the Speaker to inform the Senate of the necessity to modify the procedures for impeaching the Deputy President.
Senate acted in breach of its own standing orders, including standing orders number 75, 78, and 80, thereby rendering the proceedings procedurally ultra-vires.
Atete Imanga Gachagua ni maweta kana kwenana na undu mbunge ya Senate ya Assembly sie kumuvetanga ofisi ni Gachagua kuonania kulikililo kiuteti inditi kuondoa kweli uthukumi wa ofisi wa munini wa president.
The Senate at the National Assembly was not in pursuit of good governance. It was not in pursuit of transparency. It was not in pursuit of accountability. It was not in pursuit of the rule of law. It was in pursuit of political elimination.
The impeachment proceedings against the Deputy President were conducted in violation of the Constitution of Kenya and are therefore or were therefore unconstitutional, null and void.
Ali ingini maweta kana kuvetangu kwa Gachagua ate kunewa mwanya wa kuielezea ni kutola mwiyao na kivuthia kinene kwa katiba kandi ya Kenya.
My humble submission that at least with the trial of Jesus Christ, Jesus was given the opportunity to be heard in this impeachment process. It really, when you look at it and you look in a constitutional democracy of the 21st century such as Kenya, with a constitution that is celebrated across the globe, with a constitution that has fidelity to human rights and due process, you can really make a conclusion that this parliament sank very low. The Speaker of the Senate went ahead to put a vote on whether someone's constitutional rights of a fair hearing should be respected. Your Honor, Article 50 contains rights that are not only inalienable but also non-derogable, and that was a great violation of the Constitution.
Ilivoti ya vilingi wa movo nitoa mwaka mweu.
Tuisonga na mbe President Dr. William Ruto ni watetea uthukumi wake akana wa serikali yake muvyani wa kisomo ayolota amwema maundu ala serikali yekete kwa ile kisomo atakumandika alimu na waki wa ilasi aina kabina kala okuvingwa umbano wake ile wa kisomo kaunti ya Nakuru. President Ruto ni wawe atakana serikali tayongelete ilo biasi ya kisomo kuma bilioni 500 mubaka bilioni 700 na ile ayasia kiyekete weyananu imanisioni sionde va Kenya. President Ruto ingi ni wawe atakana serikali yake ni andikete alimu ngilia na imwe na kwaka ilasi ngili miongo ile na itatu tanzia imwe ya kuokeliana kwa ile kisomo. Anet Mumo na ilivoti.
Musumbi Dr. William Ruto asa kisomo ni chavata muno ni kwithiwa kina utonyi wa kwa liulanthi na kana serikali yake ni yosete matambie makuyana kwa ile kisomo va Kenya.
Education is the single most important investment any society or nation can roll out. It's the single most important investment. The development of our human capital is the single most important to a nation. From the position I sit in as president, if there is one very important thing is to have an educated, informed society.
Ainena kuyana Ivasha kaunti ya Nakuru Musumbi asa serikali yake ni ongelete budget ya kisomo kuma shilingi bilioni 500 mwaka ni wangilile na miongole na ile muvaka bilioni 100 ile mwaka huu haya dhana kana budget ni kuongelekela miaka ni tuendete.
We have progressively enhanced the budget in this sector from approximately 500 billion in 2022 to 702 billion in this financial year and 767 billion in the coming financial year. we don't treat the investment and the resources we are putting in education as a cost to us. It is an investment we are making in our present and in our future.
Musumbi ya siani kwithiwa ilovia ii ivathia wa kisomo ni mbingi no nginya utumi wasio withiwe na uikiku. Oneni wake uikwatwa mbau ni Minister muveani wa kisomo Julius Migos Ogampa ula wakulia tongo imanza masya skulu kana BOM kuthuima budget cia skulu kwikithia ina sindu itena vata kisomo ni matambite kuvitukithia nikenda fiswa amanyiwa andu kongeleke kuvikia iwango si iulu.
The public taxes that we allocate to education, 700 billion shillings, is a lot of money. And integrity must be front and center in us delivering on education and making sure that we can account to the Kenyan public on the resources we are spending in education. But now we are going to the BOMs, the Board of Management, and some of them are here. And we are saying you must interrogate the budget that you are passing. What does it include? Is that something that is essential to learning? So that you do not increase abnormally the cost of running institutions. It is a warning to each and every school head here. If you are involved in undertaking, increasing the school fees, using those levies that are against the circulars that we've issued, you will face the consequences.
Nilivote ya vilingi wa Mavumu Tongoi TV nitawa Anit Mumo.
Maundu ma ukui kiwanza ni chambasi musini wa Masako ni matamba ikavyo muthenya muima itina wa imwe siangale sia ukui kukomea uya nakumala nzawa kiwanza kiu kwa kila meoteta tavethi tunangusanisyo kati wa sako siki vathukanio iuluwa uwai wa kundu kwa kukuania kana slots. Ona uyo vo Minister muveani wa Malelo na ukui kaunti ya Masako na Daniel Nganga ni waelezea kana serikali ni yethi tunasikalo sia kuthinekia thina aikulia aungame masa kuna sia ukui vamwe na ene ngale sia batatu kweka kutumia ngusanisyo sio na ivathukanio kunya masya enende alama tumia kiwanza cha mbasi musini wa Masako Mongeladan na ile vote.
Niguo maundu mevua va kiwanzani cha bas Masako amwe maene ngali cia matatu sako ni sikivuthukanio maikuania kiwanzani usako mbingi sikuania nza kiwanza unula waete mwane kumwana kuna mase maundu maukui
atongo ima sako no moge magekalandi magewena na mewena kebe kaundi ya mwonengana maima mekata metikila na achiu
onugo vo mwene kibila wa ngwatino ya matatu va ukamba mamoa Onesmus Jaloni wa kulia serikali likila mituke akuthinikia thino na mituke letonekana
ni asia undu mwana ukui ne wenda watatize kaba kiwanzani cha baspa cha Masako ani asia kino kindu kithitwo kinena nwa ukie wethe abe sako yukie ya nengwa slot sia ukuanea na balai kunengwa penga lingi kuanea abusia sako enge na yu ithie ta association nondo we awitu ni kuikithia kana kwina fairness kwa kila mundu kutumia kiwanza ki nondo kiwanza ki na sako mbewa 55 sako sia kitui sia makuene wanasia Masako ithie ta association ya mamoa tunaandika balua tuaitie kindu kiki kwenda kwikwa ithie tuikese tuyausishwa kiyambewa audit su tuyese inaya mamba chao na twakulia implementation yambe kuongamwe
onugo vo Minister muveani wa ukuini walesekana dinongwende na uthinikiwa ndathocha atongo Masako isu onthe kuwika maofisini kumantha usungio andu vakuma lengali sio kiwanzani undu u nukwete ukuna munene kwa ene ndela meutambwa kundu kikivuthukanio
kwanza kibilongia kwa kila county government na niye ina jukumu ya manage kuregulate na kucontrol operations bau na ndithe tuikwata maukulio kuma kwa operators kumevinda kuyingi yolo manenga mwana ya kula meumisia andu na kula meumakuya na ila tuna dinethiwe tukuletwe evinde yasa netuna ekie scientific research au kiwanzani tumane mitoka ile tumia kundu kuko kuya na kwa kumisia andu na twethia kana kwi kumwe kutana atumika muno kuna atumika ngale nini kumugethe kwina ngale imwe kungi ngale 3 na kungi ngale 5 leo sikwe kungi kutumika ngale yana 50 na tiasia faina maana operators ma disrupt ukui then account jitu kila ke maana ni andu kwikala mainena ni mai encourage instead ya disrupt ukui na kuthi kotini na kalende manena nie no bisi wako no bisi wa serikali ya Masako ni mubingwe kuonena ni from time to time.
Daniel Mwonkela, Mutongo TV, kuma kwanza ni Chabas County ya Masako.
Tuma katikati wa mwezi wa Masako imwe kwa imwe nginya Seku kuyake chui muvya wa kwikithia wasove kumalelo ni NTSA no kwithwa uyambisya wala ni omwe wanzia sia matuko a kwisila mutandao bala NND makethia wa matonya kukwata mavalua mangali kana logbook kwisila mutandao bate kunyama ubombulwa ni mungame munene muvyani o engineer Nation Kondiwa bala ainena nandeki mama uvo kimanisoni cha Seku kaunti ya Kitui waweta kana NND ainge methitwe mainyama kukwata mavalua a maofisini na bala wala nyo o ukwithwa uyete uthukumi wa serikali bakubena mwene nthi na kuola mukuo wa NND kutambuka kuasa kumanda mavalua na kana mavalua na alama kuwa ibinda ya sakuma kwata maofisini ma muvya wa NTSA Kimanzi Osea ayelipote
ainena nandiki mama uvo kimanyisoni nja Seku Nation Kondiwa ni wawetakana enenzi aingi methitwe manyama kukwata mavalua amangali kana logbook maofisini ma muvya wa NTSA aiwetakana kwisila uthukumi wa mutandao enenzi makethia wa matonya kukwata kwa mituki mavalua bate kutambuka maofisini ma muvya
that Kenyans go through when they are trying to seek some papers, especially regulatory and licensing papers. We have tried to make our online services very efficient, and I think Kenyans can appreciate that. But then when it comes to output, basically people collecting physical documents, it becomes a challenge. And this has become a source of corruption, source of bad reputations, and also just to make life of the people that need these papers easy, and to make ease of doing this life of Kenyans a bit easy when dealing with government institutions. You see, generally our theme of NTSA is we want to reduce government in people's lives.
Kavindani kau aiweta kana kwizila uthukumi wa mutandao uvaniwe kubetanga uluzanina wangangania yulu wa mavalua muvyani wa NTSA.
As we speak, those physical logbooks are forged left, right and center, and Kenyans don't know. And even some of our staff don't know a forged logbook, because initially they were just signatures that are put there with a pen, and anyone can do that. And even those papers, people with the coming of AI, you can actually say to tell AI, produce for me a template of this of Kenyan logbook, and you'll get it. So these are things we are trying to do. We are also trying to be commit crime every single day. You know, when a major crime happens, there's always a vehicle around it. And who is the custodian of vehicle registry? NTSA. We also want to be able to know who was in charge of this vehicle at this particular time. And also asset financing. We want our ways to securely
waranio wa kunengana mavalua akwizila mutandao uvaniwe kuambia matuku 30 mwezi twathi wa thanthatu wina kithito cha kwelia uthukumi wa muvya
to announce that we are going to launch in June 10th, 2026. That is around 1 month from today. Electronic vehicle registration certificate, or what we call
ngirivotia vilingwa mavokuma vake manyisioni cha Seku kaundini ya Kitui Osea Kimanzi.
Tuma Seku twesokeja studio twambe kuthi uthiumoni o mukuvina ndaendete uthiumoni ni ukuliti ati nukwitikana na President William Ruto kana serikali yake ni yikite kithito cha kuyana kwa ile kisomo va Kenya utumani waje kana ajiye na welesho waku ni kwa namba ya utumani mukuvi ya ile 395 batendevi wambe na ndeto mutongo TV na oingi nthini wa mitandao yitu ya mikumu kanile kwa oyu niwasa mautumani kwisila ili itatu kenda imwe itano nikenatu ambothi uthi umone na ndiminukile vilingi ngenda ndisoma mautumani yange kwisila mitandao ni yitu Facebook na YouTube pe mundu kwa asia ekavyo amanyuwa aingi maikwata kisomo undo vaile Kingi Ruto akana kingi cha Ruto ni ubongo mwingi netawa Dickson Ngemu kuma kwa Mutia ongea kasi aye kisomo ni cherulukile na chana ngeka ni ngalakosia manzoni kuma Kalawani Mutongo TV Philip Mulele Kalawani ni ase kisomo ni chabo kwanie na wamuthia ya semwa Ruto ase ni wangale tembesa kisomoni na toi kusiona kanako siku somethia unda na wete sito yake usio kulembeza siku kwaseni wangelete sio somethia unondo mo maikusiona we uyasiata kwa oyu matukane mavombe yange ni mokete.
Airtime kwanzia yelaisivyo kwa networks yonthe Safaricom, Airtel na Telcom kwa kudial kana kuvinyia star Monza kenda imwe ash isuni star 791 ash na kila ivinda wadho wa Airtime wekwatia bonus ya 2%. Ingi Bamba Credo yunenge ivuso ya kutuka agent wa kudhosia Airtime vinyia star 791 star 11 ash na yila wadhosia Airtime ta agent ukakwata commission ya 2%. Wivo ndevala uwi Bamba Credo yivo kondu waku kuikithia we connected wenda Airtime kwa metoki ona wina fuliza Bamba Credo ni munyanya wavakuvi services situ ni masaa miongo ilina ana kwa modena kwa uvumbe yanke idhukisi ilungu situ kuma kiokone nginya wiyo na oinki nukuni namba ino ya simu noti Monza kenda inya itano noti kenda inya imwe esuni 0794509941. Bamba Credo, symbol, fast, affordable and accessible airtime solutions across Kenya.
Mukamba ni wese uimane udhui na kwa uo ndo ilite kubatithia na uima waku wa mwi Rafiki Herbal Clinic ungua Herbal Dr. Mwithia nizo kliniki cha ndawa cia miti kila kitongoetie kwa witi mwithianu na wandawa siki ukunikili wa science netuita mauki bathukanio ta typhoid, ndetema, amoeba, bio, ulcers, arthritis, kulea kusia kwa mbatoni ndakame, ukosebina wa kiume, mauma kekonde, asma, mauma metambo, fibroids, sukali na mauange. Komana na Herbal Dr. Mwithia kila chuma wawikala wakwambele matuku wana mwi wakatano tuikabati kwa candle ndo kuthengeana na ATM ya Equity wakili matuku watano tuitala kuthengeana na Flavors Restaurant kati wa Total Petrol Station na Isma Supermarket wakatatu matuku thandatu tuimatu stage kwa kinatwa Sako Booking Office kuthengeania na Matumat Supermarket wakana matuku mwonza tuikitui Red Car Mall itina wa Intel Bookshop kunda kindu stage ya Probox ya Mbitini wakatano matuku thandatu Masako Complex Inn kuthengeania na Automat Supermarket kuthengeania na Bata na wathandatu matuku kenda tuimulolongo 3Ds Hotel kuthengeania na Automat Supermarket kwa flyover ya Yellow. Kwa maobombe yange tuthoke mobisini maitu alama bingu wetu kila muthenya Dar es Salaam, Ilobi, Mombasa, Masako wote, Kitui, Kibwezi na Emali kana utukunie simu kwesela noti muonza ile imwana noti kenda noti kana noti muonza na ina ile 55 kana ututume SMS kana WhatsApp kwesela noti muonza imwanoti kenda noti nyanya. Rafiki Herbal Clinic, we treat, God heals.
Sukulu wa Uwezo College ni beyond training, yani nimbe wa kisomo cha mabuku. Alimu maitu ni ataalamu makwea siana na kusiuivya undu wa kwitha matona kuandikika kana kwithiandika mombene itina wa kumina masomo. Tena kisomo cha matuku acha distance learning, yani mwana akasoma eva asa na kila kingi cha face to face kana mwana akasoma ya sukulu. Uwezo College titha na kosi ila mwana utakosa wiyata fashion design and garment making, ICT and secretarial studies, business and business management, accounting, social work and community development, building technology, electrical engineering, hairdressing and beauty therapy, catering and hospitality, languages ta French, German, Kamba culture na Kikuyu culture. Uwezo College tuyanenge mavalua ni mivya ya kisomo va Kenya ta TVETA, NITA, NEC, ICM, KASNEB na TVET SIDAC. Ikwatie ivuso oyu kwa kukuna simu nambani ino 0724 390 322 kana wiyete maofisini maitu alame KIE building Masaku va industrial area kana uke maofisini maitu alame kungethanisia na Machakos Golf Club lika mutandaoni witu ulani www.uwezocollege.ac.ke. Intake ya mwaka wa 2026 ni yendeje. Uwezo College, beyond training.
Ni twasiogethia atandithia sokoni wa Tala nimeendeka kuendea kuimia ngwatanio na kwailia utandithia o vamwe na kukwata maendeleo masoko wo ni wetano ukuma kwi James Mwangangi hulani muteti kwa matungulu ainena itino akikalo na atandithia pala wenda serikali ya kati kulilikana kuwete mulati wa soko mwe kwa Tala wata masoko ala angi mutesia boni na ilivote
na James Mwangangi kana ngwatanio atandithite sa kuweta maundu ma maendeleo vamwe na umwe kwithwa soko wa Tala na mathina maingi mawikumbilite
tio mwendeni tethi wana siekalo ana biashara matala undu wa kunena nesia undu wa ngwatanio ya ikundi itu ya CBO ya Tala na nitethi wana ibinda iseo maundu ala manena ni wape maundu ma development katika soko witu wa Tala na itwetikirana kana soko witu wa Tala ni mutiele muno ki maendeleo na soko witu wa Tala tina modern soko tuina sewage tuina sewer line na tikuli ya county government pamoja na national government mathukuma bamwe makwatanite nikenda mabiki ya kwailia mawithiuruluko masoko wa Tala
ikule serikali kati kwenda na kwatana na serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku kulelia tandithia mawithiuruluko utakana mondo ya makatoni ya gusila ngwatanio ya tandithia vateva twakwithwa na ngusanisio kana mondo matonyo mavata maendeleo
lakini titungia county nondo nayo ni tatito kuthesha soko ni thukumite na national government isisie maundu ma sewer line isisie maundu ma lighting isisie maundu alangi onde meendeka katika soko withe soko itu ni waila ngwatanio isu ni nzeo kwa andu matala ni kwithiwa ni kutwa soko wa Tala to another level ni kumbania andu ma biashara onde bandu bamwe tonete kwina mathina maingi katika soko witu na itu ukulia nikenda atongo yala sakue malikele nikenda tubikia kukwata sindu ila siena ubungulu sokoni wa Tala
kwithwa serikali ya kati yambiyo kwatana na serikali ya kaunti kwa kama soko isio ni kivathukanyo bai kula serikali ya kati kulika sokoni wa Tala na kwa soko wa matukwa ya ota masoko alangi na isio ni si kivathukanyo
national government dina wa museo undu wa kukilia mama mboga undu wa kukilia hasala kwa kama soko moda ni masoko na niti matito niti na soko taki wenduno tone taka ngundo soko ni delile tukulia Tala ni the art of matungolo twakiwe soko Tala onandikulia ni kwethi wanito kwa na nyumba cia affordable housing ni siende na kwakwa katika sub county ingi mbinge na ithite within the metropolitan nikulia national government they consider kwambia nyumba cia affordable housing within Matungolo Tala town
kuma Tala county ya Masaku nyeni toboni mutesia
wethi ati bata Matungolo twiba
Trauma kaunti namba 16 tuthi kaunti namba 17 ukwati wa mbe wa mwitu ya namuna miongo 5 kuma wodi ya mapindi ni kilioni mbunge cha Makueni ukwati wa kwa ila itina wa moko kwata mavundi sio memwanya maundu wa kwilanda saki ukwati kuma na Nairobi ila mana kwati kuma balave mwene kevela wa mabiasala memwanya kana special economic zones Fred Moteti mainene ya kisione cha Kanyonga wodi ni isu ya mapindi ni kabindane kama mavundi sio asu mwitu ne maelesia kana utwika na ilovia isu si matede se kudanda se biasala sio kuende se mubango wo wa kukobedanya mbesa kwisela wala nyuate bo banking bala maelesia matunda maumanitwe na ngwata nio na ikundi ila methi twe maseuviti zikayoni sia kuyukelia kiukwati mulei molinge novikie mavendene na tutumia elivote.
Nituna kukota mauvundisi yulondo wa kusaidi ilo vya ima kwa ati kumakula Fred Moteti vala mwito makatheta mbia mwene kivila uwa vya sala si mwana kana special economic zones. Mweta nimeusaidi ilo vya ima tethe si OU na vindava umbeni.
Ila mwendu wethe tuwe kwenye ndiya ikata. Teta wa miguta no reno kakita ona mbeza siye kwata. Ona wendo kinange waku mama muko mawe kinange wana ku leo bakwata jao. Ende oyu ndo anjenzite bo tiyo wethe ni tete kwa yayu. Na ne kwate yutabe mundu muka wa muiko kaondoka. Kana nata? Wena mbeza nothi? Noti yakana kaku kakuwa? Noti yakana kaku kenu kitewe? Mbeza siba? Neto kwe kata? Neto uzomethia siana na mbeza isu sito ti sawa sawa. Na mundu wa muika webawe ukibanga ukikata. Eko kile wa kwata mbeza jaze diitumie diitianileka tene dile mwethe nethine na ma ezunike na bitero ne jao ezunike na bitero ne jao ezunike na bitero ne binda wa ta kwata mbeza ile sia mutetu na kwatie ni cio tutefya ebinda ni zino ti andu mamuika
amwito amelese nthini wa mavundi sio la maende kwa kavinda yuni mamenete kwambia melati kivutha konyako matethesya kwithanda cia kiukwati
kuma twambia ikundi nitunasomethwa bandi wa miti na kwa kila mama pe siembe pe isungwa na pe maundu maingi kwisila mbesa ni cia Muteti kwisila mbesa ni cia Muteti twakwiwa ciana nitukaa kikundini tukosa mbesa tukatwa sukulu ciana citu ikaendelea na masomo kwa withi twina mutongo yungi
ithita ibetindi wa ni kwitha tikwata ni oyu na ni no nie ti atambie kwikanesa ni kwitha ni taicie ni ti kwenda kuwa mbui titha cia mbui kumiciini kila kibeti kithiawe na mbui
zikaoni cia kuthanthasya na kufikia ikundi cia mwito kilio ni kicha Makueni Fred Moteti no minete kufikia mbe wa mwito ngili miongoli walo minete kwa mbe wa shilingi milioni 3 kwa ikundi kifethokanyo cia mwito kilio ni kim
tane ombeza ithie twi ready kwiyaka ta families na kutethesia families situ na kwithia ibinda rukite baikana kaitu kakathina ni wia ni kisomo na maundu angi maingi kwa uti asia mbeza cia Muteti wa Muteti ithie taka nisi tutwaite basa na nisi utunenga chao muwa misiini kwitu ila mundu wina mbeza dewa ndawa ama wauonde withia ngo yake ni tulite onaye wao nitiendete kikundini ndena chao ndena pressure nundu wezi unene ukwikata either na mbeza
mama tutanaye na nguku twina nguku tutanaye na ng'ombe twina ng'ombe ona tumaluka tuilio aka tumaluka tuilio aka
Mutongo TV kuma Makueni nyene to mulei mulingam
na tuisonga nambe tuthikuya kaunti namba 15 kitwine kana muvea munini wa kulunga mitua mayelani ni wombula kana nukwatianite na muvea wa koti kuola musukumano mayelani va Kenya kwisila kunenga chovo chanza wa yela avungwa ala movetwe mena mavitio manini ainene ayelani ya kitwi mwandiki munene muvea ni Salome Biako ni wawetakana serikali ingi ni minite kwambisya mawalanyo makutethesya avungwa kubindwa mituo yo Onesimus Chalo nokolivoti
mwandiki muteneka muveani wa mayela vanthi ya Kenya mwandu Salome Biako ni wawetekana muveao niwendehe na kuthukuma kwa vakuvi noloa makoti kwikithya kana makwani manini ala maviko makoti na esilula mamo meina atuo chovo cha kuthiyela no kana kuola namba ya avungwa mayela ni vanthi ya Kenya.
Correctional Services is part of the National Council on Administration of Justice, that is the criminal justice sector, and we work very closely with the other actors in the criminal justice sector like the judiciary. Together we have programs where we decongest. And now the judiciary has been in the forefront of ensuring that is done. So we have regular routine programs of decongesting, particularly inmates who have very few months left to be released.
Yako ananekika bidani kale vikite jelani yake tui musini wake tui pale vikite kuvanda mite iweta kana bena mipango ya kuikilia mayela banthi ya Kenya mainoso amono kwiva kumandande ya siya kuala avungwa siya ila siya avungwa kwiwa tene musumbe na kulekwa.
Additionally, His Excellency the President, through the power of mercy, has been decongesting himself. And last year we had approximately 4,950 inmates being released under the Power of Mercy program. We also are collaborating with the judiciary to do a lot of sentence reviews, particularly of offenses that are minimal, like those who are caught in being drunk and disorderly or causing disturbance. And we are doing a lot of reforms in terms of rehabilitation and reform, and so that we can resettle these inmates and reintegrate them back into society. And that is an ongoing program, and it is gaining a lot of traction because it's taking place simultaneously across the country.
You remain standing as peers and senior officers take a leap. Turn to a right and salute. To your next assignment. Dismiss.
Mwandiki muteneka wevikite jelani yake tuiva loa vanda metingili inya kuondwa kuenese wala nyoa musumba kuvanda mete bilioni 13 evikia mwaka nwa ngilili na miongo etatu. Deli vote vlingwa mwogo ni Tonesmus Chalo.
You remain standing.
Tuithi kaunti 001 ni kana serikali ya Kenya ni ambisi walanyo wambe wa kukolanya mauvoka na data kukonya huyana wa siana ila sima mutha memwanya mubango ula uvanite kuikithia kana siana ii ni sia kwata uthukumi na utethio ula wailete kunikili na ula utongwe weni ikundi ya The Action Foundation ii mwamba na mivea ya kiserikali uvanite kukitana na mathina aramia kumbela siana mbewa milioni 1.3 na ilasi ungua miaka nyanya na ila ithenika kukwata mauthukomi ta uiti mwailu masomo na utethio ula wailete. Angelina Musene rivota witwa Mombasa.
Nyo una ula we ungua programu ya mwanya ya kuikilia wiana wa siana ila sikalana mamutha me mwanya uvanete kutwaiwe kuma mwaka wa 2025 nginya mwaka wa 2030 chelelo cha wene kwa ile maundu ma uiti nutrition technology na maundu ma kisomo kwa siana ii.
Today marks more than a start of a research exercise. It marks the beginning of a shift from assumptions to evidence, from fragmented efforts to coordinated action. Across Kenya, more than 1.3 million children with disabilities under the age of 8 years are growing up with disabilities, many without access to the essential services that they need, from healthcare to rehabilitative services, to assistive technology and inclusive education. Not because solutions do not exist, but because systems have not been fully designed to reach them.
Ainena kavindani kaa kuvingwa kwa mulati director wa ikundi ye ya The Action Foundation Stephen Ikonya niwawetekana kuosanywa kwa data ii siasiana ii kwithiwa kuvanite kuvangithia na kwa ile mulati ni kana kuikithia kana siana ii inaatiwa etina.
The next 2 months we will reach more than 6,510 households across 7 counties from Nairobi, Kajiado, Machakos, Murang'a, Siaya, Kilifi and Samburu, capturing not only these children, but what they need, what services cost, and where the system is not working. We are proud that this effort is not being done in isolation. It is truly a collaborative initiative implemented in partnership with key government institutions.
Muvango uwithwa wisisia vanene vala siana ii kweania na sindu ila ikwenda ni kana kutethesia serikali sia kaunti na ila nene kuvatha ilovya na kuikia malanya me mwanya makuanisia muvango uu.
The DSCD baseline study brings together 3 critical elements: a household level understanding of children needs, an analysis of how systems function or fail to function, and a clear investment case that translates evidence into actionable budgeted solutions. Ultimately, this is about moving from goodwill to implementation. It is about ensuring that when governments plan, Children with disabilities are not an afterthought, but a priority backed by data, costed interventions, and coordinated delivery.
Gilivoti ya vilingi wa Mauvoo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa ni tawa Angelina Mose.
Toma kesowani tuthikitambasi Justice Mohamed Wasame ni waiva kithituo cha ya kutwika musili wa makwani kotini munene wina ukomo kana Supreme Court cha the kila cha twaiwa umonde masane makio ko State House na kukosewa ni President William Ruto. Ainene acha thiniki Ruto ni wa mukathi ya Wasame na kumudhuthia thukumio ya wake undu violate kwa kuatia katiba. Wasame osa mwanya wa Justice Mohamed Ibrahim na ula watiwe ni thayo matuku 17 mwezi wa Disemba mwaka muvetu Wasame ya kwatiania na asili alange kotini o evo CJ Martha Koome munini wake Philomena Mwilu Smoking Wanjala Njoki Ndungu Isaac Lenaola na William Ouko.
Scholarship, distinguished advocacy and unwavering professional integrity have earned you a place at the very pinnacle of legal excellence in our republic. The Senior Counsel Conferment Rules, particularly Rule number 7, imposes upon you an even higher calling. It demands sustained excellence in legal service and practice. The Supreme Court, as our nation's apex judicial institution, stands as the ultimate guardian of the Constitution and the impartial arbiter of Kenya's most profound legal and constitutional questions. I am pleased to note that over the past 15 years, the court has remained steadfast in the discharge of its solemn mandate, consistently affirming the supremacy of the Constitution, safeguarding the sovereignty of the people of Kenya, and defending the independence of the judiciary.
Sir, the appointment of Honorable Justice
Owazi ni wekwatiwa kwa kana musiaisi wa Mutongoi TV wati na nesari na ukeriana na udhochandini wa Mutongoi madhaoni nyeni toro kufera mtuwa na wena ivinda wembita kuzona takithio toikati na wani ni tuambelidie kwa wakati na olili ya Mauvoo wala muandiki mnene muviani wa madhao Elijah Mwangi kuyo muundini wa Tongwe secha dhicha kwa mbeliliwa kwa na kusoegwa kwa kiwanza cha Kipchamba kila kaundini ya Bomet kila kithiwa na utonyi wa umeli mashambi kingili 10 Mauvoo asuni ngobanisimo kwa withianu. Muandiki munene muviani wa madhao Elijah Mwangi kuyo muundini wa Tongwe secha dhicha kwa mbeliliya kwa na kusoegwa kwa kiwanza cha Kipchamba kila kaundini ya Bomet na kila kithiwa na utonyi wa ulika mashambi kingili 10 mulati usua kiwanza keu na ulau kuangalama ya silingi milioni 905 wikwati wa kuthela kwa kilungu cha meikenda yokete itina wa kiwanza keu kuthela kikwati wa kutamika hata kiwanza cha musi cha timu wa APS Bomet kiwanza keu kikwatiwa kwithiwa na nyekia kiumundi ya uthele ya muvilo wa mao siasi ya kusemba yena mikululo nyanya na vandu va thauki va kusenzi asiangua.